Hi everyone, I'm your friend Syed and welcome back to our channel Tech Hunter. In today's video, I'm going to show you some amazing Google Maps tricks. Friends, we all use Google Maps mainly for directions, but there are some amazing features in this app that many people don't use. And honestly, you're missing out if you don't know them. In today's video, I'll show you 6 powerful Google Maps tricks that can make your daily life much easier. So let's get started. 1. Offline maps. Use maps without internet. We don't always have internet access, right? Here's how to use maps offline. Open Google Maps. Tap on your profile icon to offline maps. Click select your own map. Choose the area and tap download. Now you can use maps even without internet. 2. Live traffic check. Want to know if there's traffic ahead? Do this. Turn on the traffic layer from map settings. Color meanings: green equals no traffic, yellow equals moderate traffic, red equals heavy traffic, black equals road closed. 3. Find nearby places easily. In a new place and need an ATM, restaurant or hospital? Use the top menu options like restaurant, ATM, gym, etc. It will instantly show nearby places around you. 4. Timeline. Track your location history. You can see where you've been at any time. Go to profile arrow your timeline. Turn on location history to track your movements. 5. Street view. 360 degrees live experience. Want to explore a place before going there? Select a location, then tap Street View. Click on the blue lines. You can move around in 360 degree view, just like being there in real life. 6. Add your home or business on maps. Want to add your home or business location? Go to Contribute arrow Add Place. Enter name, category and photos arrow Submit. After verification, others can find your location easily. So these were 6 useful and interesting Google Maps tricks. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked the video, give it a like, leave a comment, share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.